Hey, I was just gonna let everybody know you got to see. There's a whole Monty Python um, documentary on Netflix. It's I don't know how new it is, but it's they go into some real depth with it, and something I never knew about the Holy Grail was that Elvis had seen it, and he watched it like a total of 25 times, the Holy Grail, Monty Python Holy Grail, and he liked the bit about the Black Knight. Oh, it's just a flesh wound. so you're missing all your legs, and he says, "I can still get you with my nose." Can you imagine Elvis? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. See, uh, uh, it's just a flesh wound. Can you imagine Elvis getting an Elvis impersonator? You know, impersonating Monty Python. That would be very difficult to do the impersonation. Let's see. Um, um, I can almost no, I can't do an Elvis impersonation. I could probably. I can sing. I can do it. You know, whoa, just shook up. Yeah, I'm all shook up. You know, I could do that. I might do that. Um, but just imagine, Elvis doing an impersonation of a python. Sheesh.